You know what's crazy? Some people don't even try. They walk into a room and everything just feels different. Nobody tells them to talk. Nobody tells others to listen. It just happens. For a long time, I thought I was missing something. Like there was a rule everyone knew except me, because I was the invisible one. People interrupted me, looked past me. Sometimes I would stop talking mid-sentence because I knew nobody was really listening. That stuff messes with you. And no, I didn't wake up one day confident. I didn't fake anything. I didn't become loud. I just changed a few small things over time. 5 things, that's it. And slowly, people started paying attention. Not because I demanded it, but because something about me felt different. First thing, how I stood. Most of us walk around folded in, shoulders down, head low, like we're trying not to take up space. I realized I was doing that too. So I stopped. I stood up straight. Not like I was tough, just like I belonged there. And weirdly, people felt that. Second thing, I stopped rushing. I used to move like everything was urgent. Talking fast, walking fast, always reacting. Then I noticed something. The people everyone respected were never in a hurry. They took their time. They paused. They breathed. So I did the same. And people started waiting for me, not ignoring me. Third, eye contact. I used to avoid it, honestly, because I was nervous. Then I started holding it, just for a few seconds, nothing intense. And that alone changed conversations. Same words, different reaction. Fourth, I learned how to listen. Not fake listening, real listening. Not thinking about what I would say next, just being there. People felt it, and when someone feels heard, they don't forget you. Last thing, and this one is big, silence. When things get loud, when people argue, when everyone wants to be right, I stopped jumping in. I waited. I watched. And when I finally spoke, people listened. Not because I was smarter, but because I wasn't desperate to be heard. Here's the truth. None of this works if you don't respect yourself first. Not in an ego way, in a quiet way. How you stand, how you move, how you speak, how you listen. So don't try to change everything. Just pick one thing. Try it this week and pay attention. Because once you feel that shift, you'll realize respect was never about being loud. It was about being solid.